Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We're looking at the NASDAQ futures on a 10-minute time frame. And what I wanted to show you today is that there was a almost perfect fib that is a Fibonacci. So let's put that on our chart and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So Fibonacci retracements, I'm using NinjaTrader. If we start from the high of the day, which is way back, I mean, technically last night, start here, go all the way down to the bottom of the selling, which is here, really nice sell off after the open today. You can see that it bounced right up into this 50 to 61.8% retracement area. It did get a little bit higher, so I was kind of just watching and waiting to see, like, are we going to continue on up or are we going to fall back down? And we fell back down. So during this portion here, this is all about patience. In this section. It's like, what are we going to do? Are we going to push higher? Are we going to push lower? What's going to happen? If we go down to a smaller time frame, let me actually show you. So in this bit here, super, super choppy. And I was like, I'm not even going to start playing again until we like bust out of this section. And we did that a little bit here. I was a little hesitant because of all of this support back here. But again, patience pays. And I was rewarded with this really nice drop on this big red candle. So fibs are something that work on any market that you'd like to trade, and they also work on any time frame. They're a tool that you can use, and they're available on most platforms. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.